What is good, loves? So before I get into the details of this look, don't forget to subscribe, turn your bell button on to get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you haven't followed me on my social media, what are you waiting for? Go follow me. All of them will be linked down below. Also, give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if you like this video. Like, before you even start the whole tutorial, comment down below if you like this look right here. Okay, now this is a little like spider look. I've seen this all over Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, not Twitter really, but mostly Instagram and Facebook. And I decided, why not try it for myself, you know? So that is what I did. And I honestly like it. It looks really cute. You can make it even cuter by adding a little bit of glitter right here or on the lid, or making this a glitter cut crease. Like, there's so many different ways you can like just switch this around and make it amazing. But I decided to show you guys just a simple, easy spider, you know, simple, easy version of the spider look. Yeah, so this is it right here. Now let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. I did not realize the camera was not rolling, so I'm just gonna go over what I did. So I just did my eyeliner right here. I used the Kat Von D tattoo liner. On this side, on my eyelid, I went over my eyelid with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Perversion. And I just did that on my eyelid. After that, I smeared everything with this brush. I just smeared it all around. And then I went into my Urban Decay Nocturnal shadow box, and I grabbed the black from right there, and I went over the eyeliner that I had put on here. I went over all of that and smoked it out, of course. Then I went on my lash line with that same black, and I just smoked it out on the bottom. It does not have to be neat at all, because this is a spider we're doing. Like, it does not need to be neat. Okay, so I'm going to grab this angled brush right here, and I'm gonna grab my J-Cat Freedom Creator, I think it's called. It's the lip palette, and it looks like so. And I am obviously gonna grab that black right there on this angled brush, and I'm gonna make sure that it is flat as possible. And I'm gonna start drawing the legs. So I'm looking at a picture from Instagram, which I will pop up somewhere right here. I'm going off of that. Ooh, perfect. And we're gonna do this one. Oh my god, that's way better. That is like so much better than what it was. Perfect. This is perfect to me. I'm gonna go ahead and go grab my Kat Von D tattoo liner. Yes? You don't like it?
Nope.
There we go. That's so much better. And kind of like fix them with this angled brush and the black from the lip palette. And I'm just gonna grab just a little bit of that black just to kind of thicken the top of these legs. There we go, perfect. Angled brush, but without anything, well, whatever's left on it. So let me see. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the lip before I do the white on the legs and everything. I want to go ahead and do the lip parts, which will be on this side. Yeah, this side. On the side of my lip. Messy as well. Gonna go in with my lip liner and draw the first leg. So it would be go up like this, over, we're gonna go ahead and add the white. I'm gonna go ahead and try and add some white with a white eyeliner. See if that works, if it gives me what I want. If it doesn't, I'm gonna dip this in the white inside the lip palette. This one right here. And then do that. Some white right here. And then some white up here. And then this one has some white right here. And then of course some white up here. And then it just has some white right here. It is like blending into the black, which is what I didn't want to happen. Oh gosh, let me dip it in the white. See if I can work with that. And that's, so I'm gonna have to dip it in the white lip palette. There we go. My son just walked in and looked at me like, okay. Now wipe that off and add some more. But every time I add some, I'm not adding too much. Because it's only like a few dots that you're really doing, you know. So I see some right here. Some right here. I'm going to go ahead and just go in, and then I'm going to go back and just intensify the white a little bit. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add the white to the lip one. I see some right here. See some like right. So this is the look right here. What do y'all think about the lashes though?